Did you know there's a French village frozen in time since 1944, where the clocks still show the exact moment evil walked through its streets? On June 10, 1944, the peaceful village of Voradour-sur-Glâne became the site of one of the most brutal massacres in history. SS Commander Adolf Diekmann ordered his troops to destroy everything as punishment for resistance activity. What happened next was pure horror. The soldiers separated the villagers. Men were locked in barns and shot with machine guns. Women and children were herded into the church, which was then set on fire. Witnesses described babies being thrown into the flames while still alive. Only 5 men escaped the burning barns to tell the story. They returned to find the charred remains of entire families, 642 innocent people murdered in cold blood. Today, the village remains exactly as it was left. Bullet holes still mark the walls. Burned cars sit rusted in the streets. The French government preserved every detail as a memorial to remind the world what humans are capable of when evil takes control.